Hi, my name's Mark from Hot D, and I've made this video today to talk to you about how often do we need to get our hair cut when we have a hair replacement system. So once the system's fitted, we'll speak to you and work with you about what kind of hairstyle is going to work for you best. And that will depend on how much hair you have on the sides of your head and how big the system is, how far it comes round onto the sides, what your lifestyle is and what you're looking to achieve, the kind of look and everything. So we discussed that with you at length and we'll go through everything. But how it depends on how quickly your hair grows. Now, after a little while, if you leave it like 6 or 7 weeks, the hair will kind of grow out past where the system is. So you will end up with a slight ledge. That's practically undetectable, but there is something there. So we would say, normally your normal cycle for a haircut, we say on average is about 4 weeks. But the shorter you have your hair cut, then the more often you might need to have it cut if you want high and tight skin fades, that sort of thing. But apart from that, it's pretty standard for getting haircut. Thanks for listening.